Conji no go fit dey do person here. Sapa dey one place, Conji go come say how do you know?
Hello.
Hey, fine girl, what's up? How are you? Yes. What is your name?
My name is Maro.
Okay, your friend actually gave me your number.
I know.
Okay. How much do you take for a date break?
50K.
It's like you don't understand me. I didn't say I'm carrying you for the year. Like it's not for the full year. It's not for the full month. Like it's day break. Like the night, the morning of the night you go home.
Yes, I know. It's 50K.
50K, and you are even saying it like you are very serious.
Continue.
Ogu will kill you.
Jesus!
If it's not for Conji, we will like call you. Ogu will kill you. 50,000. Eh? See the next boy that will carry you and the boy will die.
Funke!
Yes, if not the money we don't come now, the guy get they break 50,000. We normally do see 2.5, 2.12 that time, 50K.
Get out of my phone, you fool.
They cut off my ear. 50,000. So if I count 50K for you like this, now you should take the ta. If I use my mind, give 50K. Your womb will enter your kidney.
Jesus!
Your kidney will leave your liver.
Hey!
You don't know me. Eh? So that's so shit don't dey expensive.
Hello.
I beg no make I go face my woman. Everybody just face shit don't cost you.
Apostle will hear of this.
Then we leave this shitty for people who get our bed.